Say hello to 3435 Main, a vibrant student stay in the heart of Kansas City, designed to bring you unbeatable energy, everyday ease, and campus closeness for the perfect university chapter. Choose from bright studios and spacious 1 to 2 bedroom apartments, each offering your own room with a private bathroom for extra comfort. Enjoy restful nights with air conditioning, cook with ease using stainless steel appliances, and breeze through chores with your in-unit washer and dryer. Stay on top of academics in the business center, recharge at the fitness center, or make weekends memorable with a dip in the swimming pool, sizzling barbecue at the outdoor grill, and relaxed evenings in the resident lounge. Dedicated parking is also available, so bring your wheels. Plus, Pinnacle Career Institute and University of Kansas City is just a short drive away. Travel seamlessly with buses on Armour at Main eastbound Farside or on Broadway at Armour northbound, and the tram at Armour 35th and Main Street. Start your next chapter at 3435 Main, Kansas City. Book your perfect student home now on amberstudent.com.